Good morning. It is Vloguary day 22. It's actually not even the morning. It is almost 4 o'clock. And I'm wearing like the same thing I wore yesterday because I need to finish filming. Oh, I left my camera. I left my camera in the car, Mother. Oh, I need to pause that. Oh.
Don't vlog your minute.
Don't what?
Vlog.
Okay, let me pause this. I was watching Dance Moms. Okay. It's 4 o'clock. Are we gonna go to Target?
Dad might take you.
Okay.
Otherwise, we'll have to go tomorrow after school.
Anyways, it is very gloomy outside. Was it raining this morning?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was raining this morning. And we had pancakes and bacon for breakfast. And then we went to Nordstrom Rack. And now it is 4 o'clock. So I'm gonna eat something because I'm starving. So I can make my special sandwich. I'm very behind on uploading my vlogs. Okay, I'm gonna eat and I'll be back. Venturing out into the rain. Oh man. Ah! Oh. It's pouring. Oh, my poor purse. I can't even hear anything. Yeah, I like these. I just put these on and I put the volume up because I couldn't hear it, and then I turned on the music and it was so loud. So loud. We're at Target right now. We're now in the food section. Let's do a little Target haul. Here's my bathing suit. I got this top and it has a cool little tribal thing in the back, or a little cross pattern, and then I got these bottoms that are like ruched in the back. And then you keep walking. I found these Sour Patch watermelon gum. Then Little Annie's Bunny Grahams in honey, chocolate, and chocolate chip, which I'm excited to eat. I need to put this back in here. So very exciting.